have the reveal. Hey everyone, welcome to Hau Chic. So today I have an exciting unboxing, and these are two unboxings, and this is from Chanel. So I have one bag and one pair of shoes. Shops just opened about a week ago and I just had to have a look at what's inside Chanel, because definitely I much prefer shopping in person than I do online or just over the phone or anything that is virtual. So walking into the store, getting the full experience, it was the best. So I bought these on two different occasions. I bought one during a time where I went shopping after work with my friend, and on a different day I went with a different friend to have a look at the collection in much deeper review and also pick out what I wanted to look at. Both my sales assistants in the shoe department and the bag department in Selfridges are both amazing, and they were super nice and they were really attentive to my pink loving needs. Let's just get into it. So let's start off with the shoes. So it comes in a beautiful box and the receipt, and my shoe sales assistant is called Sylvia, so if you want to contact her, I'll link her details down below. Here's the box. It's got the camellia flower, which I'll put here, and let's get into it. Comes with the care booklet, the shoe dust bags, which are gorgeous. There's two of them, so if you want to travel, then you can take these with you. And then here we have the reveal. This is the pale pink classic shoes in the slingback version, and they are just the perfect pink, and it's also got the deeper pink at the front. The CC logo in the hardware is silver, and it just brings out the blueness of the pink. I got a size in 38 and they fit true to size, and I really love them. I did own a pair that was beige in colour, which I loved them, and I did sell them in the end because I wanted to turn over my shoes and wanted more flats in my life. But I wanted to steer back into getting heels again because in this pink colour it is just gorgeous. And this matches with a lot of my pale pink bags which I own, and they are just super girly. And even their soles, they are pink as well, so it all completely matches. I might get the soles done so that it's more sturdy to wear and less slippery, but even if you don't do that, it's still pretty sturdy to stand on. I was choosing between two different pairs, and I was thinking about getting the ballet flats in that colorway. It was more of a warm tone pink, and I already own a pair of shoes that is more of that color. So the other pair of flats that I did try on were very similar to these. These are also the slingbacks, but they are a slightly different color to these. This is more of a beige undertone, where it's more neutral wearing. So it's also got the silver hardware at the back, but then the difference is that it's got the black toe cap at the front, which is more casual looking, whereas this is more of a girly, super girly way to dress up. It even matches my current outfit. So another thing that it does match is my Lady Dior. The colors just are stunning. It's got that beautiful cool toned blue hue to it, and it's just so princessy, and when you style this, it's just gorgeous. So that is unboxing number one, and then now moving on to this big gem. So Loredana is my sales assistant for my handbags, and she is on the ground floor of Selfridges. She is amazing. She was so patient with me because I am very indecisive, but she even gorgeously wrapped this in beautiful ribbon. The Chanel logos sparkle everywhere. It's beautiful, and I'm glad that she did this because it's very different to the original one where it's the classic black. I think sparkle just sparks more joy. It's the camellia flower, and then the ribbon, And then the big reveal, she has the black tissue paper. It's got the classic flap design, so you can tell that it's the classic bag just from the dust bag. Let's get this out for now. She gave me a care booklet for them. She has 2 booklets in here, and then inside is just tissue paper. This is a certificate to say that I ordered it on this day, and it's got the serial number here. And then it goes through all of the details on how the Chanel bag is made and the history behind it. It's a really nice book to look through, and even the CC logo that Karl Lagerfeld made, the chain detailing, is just stunning. And then here we have another booklet with a dust cloth to wipe your bag. And then onto the big reveal. Here's the dust bag, and the color is a beautiful bright Barbie pink. This is absolutely stunning. So she's got the Chanel sticker here, and then she wraps this really well. Look how stunning this is. This is the perfect pink, and it just gives that beautiful bright pop of color. Oh my goodness, this is stunning. It's a very bright pink, and for some reason it just makes my skin tone pop a lot more. And it's more of a neutral pink, I think slightly on the cooler side, so it's not very warm, but I absolutely love this. So this is stunning. So this was actually a very kind gift from Dad, and I'm so thankful for this, so thank you. And this is amazing. So this is also in the small size, which you can count because there are 7 diamonds on here. And I much prefer the small size compared to the medium, because I think the medium's a little bit too big for me. I personally think that with both of them though, you can fit the same amount. So in a sense with this one, you are getting a better price for your money, but also for my proportions, I think it looks a lot better. And I think with bright colours, with smaller bags, it looks so much better. So I'd rather get the small or a mini size than a medium, because I think the medium can be a little bit bulky looking. So it's got champagne gold hardware. The chain is also interweaved with the leather. And then we've got the classic pocket at the back, which is really good for storing Oyster cards and travel cards. So then we have the CC turn lock. She protected it very well with the felt. And here she has the small pocket that I don't really use, but this is the tiny pocket that Coco Chanel used to store love letters in, so maybe I might do the same. And then we have a hidden pocket here to store any secret things, which is what Chanel wanted. Inside we have the CC embossed here, and it's made in France. So inside we have the main pocket with the 2 slots, and then a lipstick pocket, and then here we have the front pocket. So here we also have the authenticity cards. It's the 3 O's series, and it's like this. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm so excited to wear this out, and this will stay in my collection forever because it's a gift that I am very, 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 very grateful for. And with gifts, I never ever sell them because there's so much sentimental value to them. If I buy something for myself, then probably I would be able to turn them over, and I will never let this go. I will wear this until forever, and it's just got my happy memories in here. So now looking at that, I think they look really cute together too, so I might try them on together and then I'll show you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like these type of videos where I unbox, talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, then please do like and subscribe. And if you just want to chat to me anything beauty, fashion, lifestyle, then please do message me on Instagram at Hau Chic, and I give you all of my hugs and my love. Bye!